dude is really
in a Rolls Royce.
In a Rolls Royce delivering Domino's. This dude is really
in a Rolls Royce.
In a Rolls Royce delivering Domino's.
I was looking at my car and I saw this and I'm like, that's not really good. And then I looked over here and I was like, that's not good either.
Oh, Kaya.
Yo, look at this Porsche. What? Yo, what the? Yo, he just smashed his whole windshield. Holy. Nossa, mano.
It is amazing. He not only stays with his camera, he stays with the action. Watch as he turns and follows the car as it's going along, unaware, of course, that the Cisneros car is coming his way. He leaves the camera and dives off to the side, and he's pointing to these guys off to the side saying, you okay? You okay? If you're okay, I'm heading back to the camera. And then he's going to go back over here and make sure that the drivers are okay. Of course, after he gets his cat.
Well, yeah, he has to listen to his producer down there to make sure. Goodness gracious me.
That is amazing.
Allahu Akbar.
الحين بالروضة. لا إله إلا الله. شبت اللمبرجيني.
Yeah. Oi. Wow.
Is your car okay? I can't.